Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you are a busy professional who is looking to grow your money in the stock market, stay tuned. This video is certainly for you. A lot of people will ask me when I do my workshops or my investment courses, they'll say, how do you know where to start? Like, how do I know what stock to buy? What stock is going to be profitable? Where do I go? Where do I even look or start when it comes to investing? And the answer that I give is always the same. And a lot of people will go and say, well, that doesn't make sense. Or they'll say, well, oh, I never thought about that. But really and truly, when it comes to investing and determine what company you want to purchase or want to hold shares in, you have to start with you. Yes. What do I mean? Of course. So if you are looking for a company to invest in, right? Look at your own habits. What do you do? Where do you go frequently? If you want to buy a pair of shoes, what type of shoes do you buy, right? What type of coffee do you prefer? What food chains do you go to? What phone company do you use as your carrier, or what phones do you buy, right? This is really a good place to start. Even the foods that you eat, whether it's snacks or the drinks or the soda, these things will stay in business, or these companies will stay in business. Guess why? Because you love them. So for instance, take myself. I love Starbucks. I'm a Starbucks girl. I also love Android. I also have an Apple MacBook that I really, really love. Now, we're still going to have that debate on if Apple or Android, whatever the case is, right? I'm not a soda drinker, so I will not buy shares in Coca-Cola. Even though it's a great company, right? Maybe I'll consider because it's a good dividend stock. But we have to think about these things. There are people who love McDonald's. No matter what, they're going to get that Big Mac. Is that McDonald's? I don't really do fast food, so I don't really invest in the fast food companies. But if you like fast food, if you, for instance, like McDonald's or Starbucks or whatever the case may be, that's really a good place to start. And so remember, I say research your stocks, research your companies to see if they're good investments. And so the first place to even start is and people might say, how do I really know what I really like? Well, you can literally print out your bank statement or your credit card statement and look at where you shop often. If I'm running in a Nike shoe. So best believe, now I might not buy the shoe very often, but I'm going to be buying Nike shoes. And if they go on sale, I'm buying the shoes, right? I'm a diehard girl and I love, water. So I might look at a water company. So it's really what you like. And so you look at these different companies. I remember one participant of my workshop, she was like, I love to fly. I think it was Spirit or American. And so I said, well, look at the company. If you like them, look into what their books look like, look at the stuff that's going on in the news, all those good stuff. And if they're a good buy them, right? Delta Airlines, a lot of people, they're not flying if they're not flying Delta. My husband. Anyways, they're not flying if they're not flying Delta. And so that would be a good place to start. And so these different things that you want to look at in terms of where you want to start investing, just looking at yourself, your bank statement, look around you. What's in your home? What's in your apartment? What's in your car? What kind of car do you prefer? What kind of car do you drive? Those different things are really the indicators of the companies that you should be investing in. So when I'm talking to participants or I'm talking to a client, I am not telling you to buy my portfolio, right? Because we all have different values and we all have different likes and dislikes. I typically say, look at the things that brings you joy, that you will keep in business, right? For sure, Starbucks is going to stay in business for my little $5 coffee, caramel frap, extra caramel drizzle, right? They're going to stay in business because of Shanna. So yeah, think about the companies that you frequent and think about the things that you like, you love. People love Michael Kors and all these things. Of course, they have to be public. They have to have, enter the stock market and sell shares. And that's also a place to start too. And that is why I always go back to the foundational thing when I say, do your research. Now, if you are this far in the video, clearly you are liking the content that I put out. So it would be really, really, really appreciated if you click the like and the subscribe button so that you can get the videos when we drop them. And of course, you can share the video too, because my purpose here is to build wealth, and not only to build wealth, but to bridge the wealth gap. There's a big gap that has been getting wider and wider. And I'm on a journey to bridge that gap. And I would love for you to join me on this journey. Share the video to somebody else who you would like to help build wealth too. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Hope this was helpful. Remember, start with you if you want to figure out where to start investing. Until next time.